Hi guys, it's Jamie here and I'm going to do my weekly planner from the 10th of January 2022 through to the 16th. I know I have stuff planned on the Wednesday, and apart from that I can't think of anything else much that's going on. However, I will have deadlines with work and things like that, so I have my long box here. That will go down as my big to-do list. I'm going for a wintry sort of theme. I've got some plain boxes, some other style boxes. I have some girls this time, biggish images. Don't have that much on. A few quotes and a few images, all of which I've done on the PicsArt app. And it's just a question of doing a little user-friendly design. This one I think we could put at the top here, maybe attaching to that what I'm up to, and then have a review box of what happened that day at the bottom. But I'm wondering if any of the ones, see, these are all like bullet pointy checklist things, so really I do want something I just write on underneath that one. Now, do the two colours work? I think they do. I just don't think I can mix up too many more. I will have some obviously work to do. Maybe I can pop that one there. Just vaguely placing stuff at the moment until I decide how I want this to look. I've got another dark blue here. Could go under there. So it's all sort of beginning to layer up. The thing I'm not sure about is these grey boxes. I don't mind it here, but then here it's not really working for me. I don't with the blue. I'm going to try doing a bit more on this page and then see how that balances out. Got other greys. I could do grey boxes rather than blues. I think that might be the solution if I just stick with grey. One or two styles. We have this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I mean, what you're supposed to write on that, I don't know. It's quite small. There's another style of grey. Yeah, I think I'm going to get rid of the blues, use those another day, and just work with greys. Okay, right. Next debate is, do we want days of the week on here or not? Let's just have a quick look. Doesn't really fit. It would end up going over the line, which is fine, but then you end up with the numbers in the wrong colour, and I don't think it, oh, it might cover it. Be super careful. I should probably, if I'd cut a slightly bigger border, that would have been okay. Let's start with a couple of things that we know are going down, which is this big box, this skater, her. Well, her in a minute, because we've yet to decide what boxes are going around her. Now, I think with this I could just use that. Then put her there. And put that one there. Having a look at what images there are. That's skates again. I'm not sure about that. We've got a little saying. There's actually a woman with coffee, so that might be quite cute with her. I really should do something like list the 3 priorities for the week. Something like that. Plenty of writing space. This one's okay, isn't it? I don't have another one that goes with that, but then I can use something that I've not used on this page on that page. I will stick all of that down and then we'll work on this page. When I removed things to start gluing, I then forgot where everything went. So I've had a little play and I think this is okay. I don't want to use all the interesting boxes on this side, but I think I want something bigger. I'm not sure this is the right image for there. Got a little jumper. That might be better. That works better like that. That's not a bad little layout. Pop that down. I've already put these titles, and then we'll move over to this side. This is going remarkably quickly, but I do think with me, the bigger the sticker, the quicker or the easier I find the design. I was going to put her down there. I've got 2 pink on this side, but can't be helped. I'm liking that corner cluster there. So really, it's a question of what boxes balance with over here. We've got this one, so I think we need something with lines somewhere. Is that one? This one there. This grey over here. And I don't think I think I want a lighter. That is lighter, isn't it? If you do that grey there, lighter there, that one there. Still got these, but let's get those out of the way for now. Got another stripe actually. Gets even lighter. That's just a debate because I do have other images yet. We've got a big snowflake, for example. And then we have things like mittens, another big snowflake. Obviously this is getting slightly more boxy. I think that doesn't go. Oh yeah, we've got this big. So let's take that one off. That one off for now. How about that's then pointless, isn't it? Happy with her, Coffee Queen, Let It Snow, that one and that one. Put a few down and I'm now just playing with spare boxes or whatever it is. I think I don't like it when you can see the cut off on these, so I think I want something under her and then maybe another little something, because snowflake. Got space for more boxes, admittedly. Might do something there. You could add something like that, so you just write across there. That would work too. Actually, that doesn't look too bad. Definitely on to finishing touch time. There's a lot of white space on here, which I don't normally do. Maybe another box. And I have a few more images or words. Like we have hello weekend. Not 100% essential, because we know when the weekend is. Breaks things up a bit. I think for me, making sure there's not too much in the way of white space. Just personal taste, that is. Put those on. Cute little mittens, they're quite nice. That's an extra. Probably something there. I think those might be too big, but I could cut out the saying. That corner, just do one of the mini snowflakes. It looks quite good. This is less detailed than normal, but I really quite like it. And there's plenty of space to write in boxes, or if I want to, around boxes. My to-do list from last week basically needs carrying over. I don't think I ticked one thing off, so I know I'll be filling that in. And yeah, I'm really happy with that. It's wintry, but it's different colours. The pinks and greys work really well. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, because that helps this video get to a slightly wider audience. Let me know what you think of it in the comments. And if you're not already, please consider subscribing. And I will see you next time.